Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I am continuing line graph data interpretation. Here, first of all, you need to see the information carefully and then based on the given information, you need to solve the questions. First of all, see the information, what is given in this line graph data interpretation. Here the information is about imports of three companies over the years. Here imports of three companies are given over the years. Here the three companies are company A, company B, company C. These are the three companies and the years are 1991, 1992, 1993, 94, 95, 96, 97. Total 7 years are given. In these 7 years, total imports of all these three companies A, B, and C. These three companies imports are given in this line graph data interpretation. One more additional information is that whatever the values which are provided in this line graph data interpretation, all the values are given in terms of millions. In terms of millions, 1 million is nothing but 10 lakhs. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. Okay, everyone has to know what is 1 million, what is 1 million, and how many zeros will come at the end of 1 million, how many zeros will come at the end of 1 crore. These kind of simple points are very much essential, especially while solving the problems related to DI. Majority of the cases, whenever this kind of situation occurs, he will not mention, he will mention all the values in terms of millions or lakhs or crores, whatever it is. Okay, so you have to be cautious about these terminologies, and also the number of zeros will come after lakhs, after 10 lakhs, after 1 crore. Okay, now coming to the questions. Here the first question is, see, in which of the following years, the imports made by company A was exactly equal to average imports made by it over the given years. It is very clear that, guys, when you are reading the question in a continuous pattern, it is not that much of easy task to understand. But when you are reading the information, whatever the information which is provided in this particular question, when you divide, split that into two parts or else three parts, whatever the number of parts, then it is very easy to understand, and you know what to calculate also. See, in which of the following years, in the sense, whatever the years which are provided in the options, among the options here you are having none of these, so you need to check it out each and every year. Sometimes none of these option, if none of this option is not there, then you don't have any problem. Whatever the options which are given in this options, whatever the years are given, only for those years you need to take the you need to do the calculation part. But if none of this is there, definitely you need to go with each and every year. Okay, here what we have to calculate, see here, the imports made by company A. Here imports of company A, which is exactly equal to average of imports, of company A, that was happened in which of the following years, that is the question. So first we need to calculate the average of imports of company A. As we all know that, how can we calculate the average? Average is equal to sum of observations. Average is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. Average is equal to what? Sum of observations by number of observations. Now, if you look at the numerator value, sum of observations is nothing but sum of imports of company A. sum of imports of company A over all the years divided by number of observations is nothing but in this case number of years. Number of years. Now you can calculate the average of imports of company A, which is equal to, here company A is nothing but rhombus value. First of all, I'll just write down all the values of rhombus. Here it is 30, and next here it is 50. Next year this is exactly 60, and after that again it is decreased to 40. After that again increased to 70, and next it is decreased to 60, and next it is between 70 and 80. Here this value is between 70 and 80, which is 75. Now you just add all the values what you will get. Here it is 30 plus 50 plus 60 plus 40 plus 70 plus 60 plus 75. That is the total sum of all the imports divided by number of years. Total we have 4 plus 3 7 years. Number of years 7. And remember, at the end definitely you will get in terms of millions. Why? Because all the values are given in terms of millions. Okay. Now the required average is equal to, add all the values what you will get. 40 plus 60 100, 70 plus 30 100, total 200, 250, 250 plus 60 310, 310 plus 75 385. 385 divided by 7, 385 divided by 7, which is equal to, you can cancel with 7 table, check it out whether it is cancelled or not. 7 5s, 7 5s 35, and next 3 is left over, and next again 7 5s, 7 5s 7 5s 35, right? Now you are having the average value, you are getting the average value as 55 millions. Average of imports of company A over all the years together, which is 55 millions, which is 55 millions. Now you need to check it out whether 55 is there in the average in one of the values of company A or not. Here 92, you need to check it out each and every year, right? Company A, here it is not 55, this is not 55, not 55, not 55, not 55, not 55, this is also not 55. It means it is very clear that here the average which you are getting, which you got, that is not at all equal to any of the years. Therefore your required answer is none of this. Your required answer is none of this. Here even suppose for example, even if it is satisfied whether it is 91 or any other value, you need to keep the answer as none of this. But if you look at each and every value after checking of all 7 values, even then also you are not satisfying with the answer. Therefore your answer is none of this. This average is not equal to any of the values. Okay, that is your answer. Next question, second one. Once look at the second question. See here, in which of the following years was the difference between import made by company B and C maximum? Here we need to take the difference between company B and company C. Company B and company C difference between company B and company C, that particular value should be maximum. That is for which year he is talking about. Now you need to check it out each and every year. Why? Because here you will be having with none of these options. Therefore you need to check it out each and every year. 1991, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96 and 97. Total 7 years. you need to calculate all 7 years difference between company B and company C. First, 1991. B and C, you should not take the first value A, company A. So, B and C, one value is 50, one value is 40. Therefore, the difference 50 minus 40, which is equal to 10. Difference is nothing but highest value minus lowest value. Now coming to the second one, you should not take company A. Here this value is 60 and this value is 40. Now the difference 60 minus 40, which is equal to 20. And third value, as you want the maximum value, so definitely 1991 is not your answer. 1991 is not your answer, but in the options 1991 is not given from the first four. And next one, see here, option A, company A is not taken, and this value which is between 60 and 70, that is 65, and this value is 50 exactly. Now you can take the difference 65 minus 50, which is equal to 15, which is equal to 15. Now this value is already eliminated, 1991. Now you are having the value 20. As you want the highest value, maximum value, here this value is less than 20. So you can eliminate 1993 answer as well. Why? Because 1993 value is less than the 1992 value. Therefore you can eliminate 1993. And next 1994. This one you don't require. And next here the difference, here this value is between 70 and 80, which is 75, and this value between 60 and 70, 65. Take the difference between those two, 75 minus 65, which is equal to 10. Here if you observe carefully, 1992 difference is 20, 1994 difference is 10. So this is less than the 1992. Therefore 1994 difference is also eliminated. 1994 is not your answer. Why? Because you are taking the maximum values. So that is not your answer, 1994. Next, 1995. In 1995, this is not your answer. This is not the value which you have to take. And next, here it is, one is between 80 and 90, which is 85, and one is 80. Now you can take the difference between those two. 85 and 80 difference is only 5. So this is not the highest as comparing with 92. So 1995, that is not your answer. You can eliminate 1995 as well. And next you have to check it out, only two options, 1996 and 97. In case in the given options, none of these option is not there, then there is no requirement of checking 96 and 97. Why? Because already three options are eliminated, right? So because of that reason, directly you can keep the answer 1992. But here you are having none of these option. So definitely you need to check it out, 96 as well as 97. See here. Here this company is not required. You are talking about company B and C. This is 80 exactly, and this is 75. Here the difference between these two, 80 minus 75, which is equal to 5. This is also difference 5. So you can eliminate 1996. And last and final value, here this value is 85 and this value is 70. This value is 70. Therefore take the difference between those two, 85 and 70. The difference is 15. This is not more than that of 20. So you can eliminate 1997 as well. Now the required answer for this question, in which year the difference between company B and company C is maximum, that is 1992. In 1992, the difference between import made by company B and company C is maximum. 1992 is the right answer for this question, which is option A. Option A is the right choice. Next, third question. Here is the third question. In which of the following years was the import made by company A company A exactly half of the total imports made by company B and C together in that year. See, here also you are having none of these options, so definitely you need to check it out each and every year. According to the given condition, in which of the following years company A imports half of the exactly half of the total imports made by B and C together, right? This is the condition which is given in this statement. Or else you can also expand this one as B plus C is equal to 2A. It means the sum of company B and company C values which are exactly double that of company A. That is the relationship between A, B, C values. Now you need to verify each and every year value. 1991. First of all, write down A, B, C. A, B, C, or else A, B plus C. And next 1992, 1993, 1994, and next 1995, 1996, 1997. All 7 values you need to calculate. Why? Because you have none of these options, so you need to calculate all 7 values. First, A, B plus C. These 2 values you need to calculate. You need to write down. Here, initially, I will write all the values of A. This is 30 and this is 50 and this one is 60 and next 40, next 70, 60 and this is 75, right? Here I will write all the values of company A imports. First value is 30, second value is 50, third value is 60, fourth value is 40, fifth value 70, sixth value 60 and seventh value 75. After that, you need to take B plus C value. B plus C, which are nothing but this is 50 and this is 40. 50 plus 40. 50 plus 40, 90. And next, here this value, this is 60 and this is 40. 60 plus 40, 100. And next, here this value 65 and this value 50. 65 plus 50, 115. And next one, here this value is between 70 and 80, that is 75. And this value is between 60 and 70, that is 65. Here it is 65, 75, which is 140. 1994, the sum of B and C, which is 140. And next, here one value is 85, one value is 80. 80 plus 85, 165. And next, after that, this is 80 again and this value is 75. 80 plus 75, 155. And at last, this value is last value in 97, company C 85 and company B which is 70. 85, 70, that is also 155. Now, according to the condition, B plus C value must be equal to double that of A. Here 2A value, 2A, 2 into 30, 60, 2 into 50, 100, 2 into 60, 120, 2 into 40, 80, 2 into 70, 140, 2 into 60, 120, 2 into 75, 150. Once observe each and every value, which two values are equal, where the values are equal. Here these two values not equal. 100 and 100. B plus C is equal to 2A. That is there in 1992. Once check it out remaining also. 115, 120 not equal. 140, 80 not equal. 165, 140 not equal. 155, 120 not equal. 155, 150 not equal. Therefore, in the year 1992, in the year 1992, the import made by company A exactly half the total imports made by company B and C together in that year, that is 1992 only, which is among the options, option A is the right answer for this question, option A. Next question, fourth one. What was the percentage increase in imports by company B from 92 to 93? Here we need to calculate the percentage increment of imports made by company B. Here we are talking about company B from 92 to 93. So, basically how can we calculate percentage increment? Percentage increment is equal to difference between those two values. Those two values in the sense whatever the years which we are taking. Difference between those two values divided by lowest value. Lowest value or else previous year value, both are same, into 100 percentage. And whenever you are calculating percentage into 100, percentage symbol, that is a common point, right? Therefore, first of all, before going to calculate percentage increment, as you are talking about company B 1992 and also company B 1993, company B 1993, what is the percentage increment? Once check it out, company B 1992, company B is square shape. In 92 that value is 40, whereas in 93 that value is 50, right? So this value is 40 and this value is 50. Now you need to calculate percentage increment. Percentage increment is equal to difference between those two. 1992 B company B imports, 1993 company B imports. 50 minus 40, which is 10, divided by lowest value. What is the lowest value? 40. Among those two values, lowest value is 40 or else previous year value, both are same, into 100 percentage. Now here it is 0 0 gets cancelled. 1/4 of 100. What is 1/4 of 100? That is 25 percentage. 25 percentage, that is the required percentage increment. 25 percentage increases from company from 1992 to 1993 from company B. Okay, that is among the options, option B is the right answer for this question, option B. Last question in this session. See here, in which of the following years, in which of the following years the total imports made by all three companies maximum, total imports made by all three companies together, it means you need to add A plus B plus C, that particular value is maximum for which of the following years. Here also you are having none of these options, so definitely you need to calculate each and every year. 1991, 1992, 1993, 1994, 1995, next 1996 and 1997. All 7 years you need to calculate. Okay, see, first you can take you can start with 1991. Here as you are calculating each and every value, so write down the values first. 50 plus 40 plus 30, this is the first year. And second year values I am writing from top words, whatever the values, whether those are in respect to format or not, it doesn't matter. Why? Because we are adding all three values, right? So 60 plus 40, 60 plus 50 plus 40, and third value 1993, which is 65 plus 60 plus 50. And next 1994, here that value, first value is 75, second value is 65, and third value is 40. And next 1995, first value which is 85, second value is 80, third value is 70. 1996, First value is 80, second value 75, third value 60. 97. First value 85, second value 75, third value 70. Now you need to add all the values and then you need to check it out which one is the largest one. As you want the maximum value, add all the values. 50 plus 40 90, 90 plus 30 120. Next 40 60 100 plus 50 150, and next 110 plus 60 170 175, and next here it is 100 110 180. This is 180, and next here it is 160 230 235. This is 235, and next here it is 140 plus 75. 140 plus 75, which is 215, and last one is here it is 70 70 140 140 plus 10 150 150 plus 80 150 plus 80 230. Now among all the values the highest value, the maximum value is 235. Maximum value is 235, that is for the year 1995. In the year 1995, the total imports made by all three companies was maximum. That is among the options, option D is the right answer for this question. Option D. Guys, in this way you need to solve the problems based on this model. I hope you understand all the problems in this session, and thanks for watching.